Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about building bylaws for residential area of a typical town planning scheme. Okay. So you can say the building bylaws are framed with legal phraseology and it is not intended here to give complete description of all the bylaws. Brief description of all the possible building bylaws to be framed for residential area of a typical town planning scheme uh, we are learned today. So the contents and provisions may be altered to suit the local requirements. So let's start one by one. What are the building bylaws for residential area for a typical town planning scheme? Okay. So now first is permissible size of plots. Okay. So what are the permissible size of plots? So you can say that 170 meters square for one family unit, 300 meters square for two semi detached family units, and 665 meters square for ownership flats. Okay, ownership flats. So this is the first point, permissible size of plots. The minimum size of plot required for each family unit shall be like this: 170 meter square for one family unit, 300 meter square two semi-detached family units, and 665 meter square for ownership flats. Now the second point is built up area. Okay, so built up area according to floor space index, means the FSI shall be 1 with maximum utilizations up to 0.40 on a ground floor. So you can say that FSI, okay, what is FSI? Floor space index shall be 1 with minimum utilizations up to 0.40 on GF. What is GF? Ground floor. Okay. So now third point is margins. The margins on roadside and adjacent properties shall be respectively 4.50 meter and 3 meter. So let's be clear. Margins on roadside. Okay. So you can say here roadside and adjacent property side shall be respectively 4.50 meter and 3 meter. So 3 meter. Now for plots having areas less than 300 meter square. Okay, plots having area less than 300 meter square. This shall be respectively 3 meter and 2 meter. Okay, so this is the requirement or a typical scheme for the margin. Now fourth point is area of room. Okay, so various means minimum areas for various rooms, like if we are talking about living room, bedroom, drawing room, study rooms, or you can say sitting room, ladies room, dining rooms, etc. So for that here I am writing minimum area. So, okay, keep in mind minimum area is 9 meters square. Okay, another point which you have to keep in mind that no side to be less than 2.40 meter. So while we are designing in any residential building, you can say living room, bedroom, drawing room, study room, or ladies room. So minimum area requirement is 9 meter squares and no side to be less than 2.40 meter. When we are talking about storeroom and kitchen, so minimum area for storeroom and kitchen is 5.40 meter square. So in this case, no side to be less than 1.80 meter. When we are talking about a bathroom, dressing room, water or pump room, or a call room, so minimum is 1.35 meter square and maximum is 4.50 meter square. Okay, minimum is 1.35 meter square and maximum is 4.50 meter square. You can fix a range between 1.35 to 4.50 meter for the bathroom, dressing room, water or pump room. In this case also no side to be less than 90 centimeter. Okay, so not less than 90 centimeter. Fourth is water closet or urinal. For that, minimum is 0.81 meter square and no side to be less than, again in this case, 90 centimeter. So area of rooms, living rooms 9 meter square, not less than 2.40 meter any side. Storeroom, kitchen 5.40 meter square, no side is less than 1.80 meter. Bathroom, dressing room, water or pump room between 1.35 meter square to 4.50 meter square, not less than 90 centimeter. And for water closets and urinal, you can say 0.81 meter square minimum area of room required, and no side to be less than 90 centimeter. Now next one is plinth height. Okay, so it shall be 45 centimeter above road level or plot level, whichever is higher. Now next point is height of floors. So 2.10 meter for bathroom, water closet, water room, or you can say for the pump room, and 2.70 meter for floor height. Floor height for each floor. Okay, so keep in mind floor height for on each floor. So another point which we have to keep in mind, that maximum height of floor shall not be more than, maximum height of a floor shall not be more than 1.25 times 1.25 times the minimum height. Okay, so the maximum height of floor shall not be more than 1.25 times the minimum height. So these are the basic points about size or area required for a particular room. And also when you are deciding gallery of maximum width 1.20 meter at floor levels and stair attached to building and open to sky with minimum width of 90 centimeter. So keep in mind while deciding area in residential building according to typical town planning scheme. Thank you.